everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all those who subscribe, for the new subscribers. I'm thankful, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here and for subscribing. Make sure you like this video, comment and share. The last video I made banana bread, and you guys were with me and you liked and shared my video. So today I'm going to be making chicken breast specifically, and spaghetti for dinner, and I'll also like to bring you guys along. So let's do this. Thank you so much everyone for the support and love, and I'm really grateful. So as I continue with this kitchen series, please continue supporting me, liking the videos, sharing, commenting, and if you want recipes for all this, I'm happy to give it to you, because most of these videos are just me doing my thing, not really teaching or anything, because it's just vibes and fun. So thank you so much for keeping true on here on this channel, and may you be blessed abundantly. So yeah, let's go make chicken.